Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize a Zoom meeting for the first time. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your Zoom meetings. After that, all you have to do is click on New Meeting, and there you go. Your meeting is organized. You can invite all the participants through help of this meeting passcode and meeting ID. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.